I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my channel, where I share my travel adventures with you. Today, I'm taking you on a walking tour of the stunning beaches of Cascais, Portugal. Join me as we explore this charming coastal town and discover its hidden gems. As we begin our journey, I want to request that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Its pristine sand and clear waters provide a peaceful and tranquil ambience. This is a great spot for a quiet swim or a picnic with friends and family.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Continuing our journey, we arrive at Praia da Duquesa, located in the heart of Cascais. This beach is known for its lively atmosphere and water sports activities such as paddleboarding and kayaking. It's also surrounded by plenty of bars and restaurants, making it an ideal spot to grab a drink or a bite to eat. Finally, we reach our last destination, Praia do Enchting, a wild and untamed beach famous for its strong winds and powerful waves. It's a popular spot for surfers and windsurfers from all over the world. Its unique natural beauty and rugged coastline make it a must-visit destination in Cascais. And that concludes our walking tour of the enchanting beaches of Cascais. I hope you enjoyed discovering these hidden gems with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, write your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!